Hello, good morning mga kapatid. Kuya Dom, si Kuya Dom na naman. Ito, aga na naman kami. Meron naman kaming event na pupuntahan yun. Layo sa Portsmouth.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Si Mrs.
Hello.
Yun. May mga kasamaan pa kami pipikapin dyan sa Canning Town. So, see you in a bit. Kaya na! Good morning mga kabayan. Si Kuya Dom. Video po ito ha. Ito naman kasamahan ko si Lori. Yung bagong mag-event ngayon. Ayun naman si si
Hello.
Princess Leia. Apo ni Kiram daw eh. Lori, taga saan kayo?
Dito po.
Oo. Tapos sa atin?
Sa Mandaluyong.
Talaga namang mga big time yun, harap-harapan. Yan, may event kami sa Portsmouth, ang layo. Naantay pa namin yung isa, talaga naman oo. Ang tagal. So mga 5 minutes baka nandito na yun. Sige, hintayin na namin si Rohan.
Doon na tayo. Okay.
Your destination is on the right.
Ay, salamat naman. Mahigit 2 oras. Nakarating din kami. Ito na yun, Wakeham Community Center. Mag-CR muna kayo doon kasi haba ng biyahe. Okay, let's go, Roham. You wanna go to toilet? You can go to toilet and then we can start to unload now. Ayun na si Boss. Nandito na si Bossing. Aymar. Si Aymar. Tsaka si Dato Eric. Kamusta, Boss? Ito na,
Long time, Brad.
Shout out muna, shout out.
Shout out daw.
Dato Eric.
Pasigaw.
Pasigaw sa Antipolo.
Pasigaw.
Ito na yung mga tigasin. Dito na kami. Ang grabing biyahe. Wakeham Community Center. Ay, yung isang tigasin, si store yung driver. Ayun, binuhat na kagad. Yan. Yan ang all around driver, waiter, lahat, manager, lahat. Wala nga. Kumpleto yan. Ayun na nga, nagsabi na ako kanina. Okay.
Dapat ito unahin ko mamaya, no? Oo, mga fan, pabilis.
Sige naman.
Okay.
Nandito na kami. Nakarating na kami sa may Wakeham Community Center. Malupit yung biyahe. Traffic pa. Sila okay lang sila dahil galing sila ng Lewisham. Kami is London pa sa Canning Town kaya ang haba. So ito na, nag-umpisa na sila magbiyahe, mag-unload. Dito na kami!
Live ba yan? Live?
Hindi. Ano yan? Sa vlog.
Sa vlog ba?
Ito si store, driver, manager, lahat, waiter, all around.
Dito pa
Tiyuhin ni Lisa Soberano.
Yeah.
Ayan. Buhay London. Tignan mo naman, hataw. Lahat. Litira. So, mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung hall. CR muna ko. So, ito na. Nag-unload na kami ng mga gamit. Palaging dala ko si trolley ko. Yan. Anak po sa Melitson. Saloy, ma'am, can you help Mr. Kiss with this? Diretso ka na, Mr. Sige. Thank you. Yeah. Help. Okay. There you go. Yan, hakutan na. Yeah. How are you doing? Nice to meet you. You're gonna be busy around here today, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the hall. There you go. So nilay-out na nila yung setup. No, I don't agree with this kind of layout for the buffet. No, Aymar, hindi ako conforme sa buffet na yan. Hindi tayo makaikot sa likod. Hindi balik usapin ko, ikaw ba papayag sa kanila ganyan? Hindi tayo makaikot sa likod niyan. Baguhin ko na lang yan, kausapin ko sila. Ang layout nila okay na yan, pero yung sa buffet, hindi pwede to. Paano tayo makapag-repel? 220 sila. Oo, kaya baguhin natin. Ayun, mayroon silang bar. So, don't it... Ha? Ano? Oo, yung mga ping-pong yata yun. Oh. Sige, doon si Aymar magde-decor. Siya ang magde-decor eh. So, yan bali. Ang dito kami maglalagay ng backdrop namin. So, ito kasi yun ang gusto nilang layout. So, okay lang naman. At least sila na nag-layout. Pero ang buffet, hindi pwedeng ganun. Babaguhin ko yun. Ang problema, wala silang malagyan yan. Or yung apat, lipat dito sa kabila para medyo balance siya. So, bali ito na siya. Malaki nga siya. Parang basketball court. Kung ano. Basketball court. May ring siguro dito. Parang hindi naman basketball to. Anyway, kahit ano pa yan. So, bali ito na siya. Naka-layout na yung lamisa. Pero ito babaguhin ko na lang itong buffet area. Hindi pwedeng ganito. Mahirapan kami 220. Ayan. There you go. What's your name, mate? Christian. You gonna be here today? Oh, that's good. That's good. Dom. Dom. So, yeah,
You
Dom.
know, you come and find me if you've got any problems.
All right, yeah. Dom as Dom Perignon. Easy to remember.
Easy. Easy stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
You're catering?
Yeah, we do the
You're
catering.
catering?
Yes.
We've got some decorators coming in, haven't we?
No, that belongs to us as well.
You'll do the decorating?
Yeah, yeah, we will do the
Are you going to
decorating.
bring stuff through that door?
Yes, because that one is fire escape, right?
No. Fire
No?
escapes at the sides.
I see. Okay, so we're gonna put some decorations there.
Yeah, yeah. But what I need to know is if you're going to use that door now.
Okay.
Because we've got staging to go up. But I didn't want to put that up before you come through the doors.
Ah, you have a
So-
stage.
Yeah, you got staging up. Yeah, staging's
All
got up,
right. Okay.
yeah. But I did say
So
to AJ, we won't put it up until you guys have come in, so that it's easier for you to come in without the stage up.
no, we don't come in
Not
there.
coming
We're
through the
gonna
door? You're
go
gonna do
this
all
way.
through there?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll
Everything
get
is in here.
I'll
Yeah,
get the stage
that's
up.
fine, Christian. Yeah.
We're
What?
ready for you.
Yeah. What about those? Is that the ping pong table? Ah, that's the stage. All right. So ito na. Mag-umpisa na kami ng layout. So babaguhin ko yung ano nila, yung buffet nila. Sorry, malamig yung layout nila. So Rohan, you can start to help them with the chair cover. Okay. Ano lang, Lore, ano? Chair cover. Yung tablecloth, mamaya na ay. Mamaya na, may assign ako dyan sa tablecloth. Pakitulungan lang sa tablecloth. Yeah, we'll take it. No worries. I will give you this side. Mga hoteliers, Kuya Dom, bali ito na yung buffet namin, dalawang linya, dalawang sides kami may buffet kasi 220 guests eh, kaya yun ang ginawa ko. Ito, tapos yung isa doon din. Congratulations! Bali yan. Nagkain nilang lahat. Daming puti. Daming bisita. 220. Importante, enjoy sila lahat. Ay, i-close ko ng isang area ng buffet tapos para isa na lang. Yan.
Okay, this time now.
Kaya yun. Dapat lang, nag-iikot pa. Letting up in the prayer.
Hi guys, thank you so much for M&M Catering. Guido and his team has done an amazing job for us over here in Southampton. Highly recommended their team, their company. So please check them on Facebook, M&M Catering.
Food is so great.
Food is amazing, the decoration is amazing. We had an amazing party. If you guys look around, please check them out. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello!
Kaya sa'yo,
Tapos
katatapos na
eh,
namin, anak ng...
Hindi pa kami makaalis. Sasakyan namin.
Ayun.
Frosty.
Ayun o si Princess Bisdak sa likuran. Yung apo ni Sultan Kiram daw.
Kudarat?
Sultan Dato Kiram. Sultan Kudarat Dato Kiram. Anak ng Tete. So katatapos lang. So medyo malayo-layo ang biyahe namin. So
Siguro
drop ko pa
mag-snow.
sila sa, sa airport. Tapos dito sa lapit sa bahay. Oh, sa wakas natapos kami.
Tapos din.
Okay.